Various classes of devotees worship the deity of the personality of Godhead according to the various stages of their faith in the Lord. Faith has different stages. It begins with Komala Shraddha, or it becomes with, it's called Shraddha Abhas. It's a reflection of faith, it's not real faith. And then it develops by sadhusanga, and by serving saints, one gets Sukriti and develops what they call Shastriya Shraddha. He develops faith in the Shastras. The Shastras are correct. They're speaking correctly. I believe in them, and I'm inspired by them, and I accept them, and I want to follow them. So that's called Shastriya Shraddha. And from that, then he goes and starts associating with sadhus to hear those Shastras and to get further and deeper understanding of those Shastras, because they're very complex and confusing when studied on their own. And when he reads the Shastras, everywhere the Shastras say, you must study the Bhagavatam with an advanced devotee. You must study the Puranas with a Vedantic scholar. And so even if he rejects that idea of submitting himself to a teacher, he will meet an impasse in his independent study of the Vedas by getting confused. What does this mean? And what does that mean? So he'll be forced by the nature of the subject to seek a teacher. So then it's sadhusanga. And by associating with them, then he develops faith in sadhus, and faith in their line of action, or faith in their thoughts, or their behavior, or in what sadhana they're doing. And so then he wants to be like them, and he takes up the path. It's called bhajana kriya. Sri Krishna Diksha Adi Shikshanam. Sri Krishna Diksha Adi Shikshanam. Adi Shikshanam, beginning with Shiksha. He hears Shiksha from the Guru, Shiksha Guru, for 1 year, 2 or 3, preferably minimum 3 years, at the feet, Upasanam. Upasana means Guru Upasanam, Shastra Upasanam, Veda Upasanam. He sits near the Shastra, near the Guru, and hears the teachings. Then increases his faith. Sri Krishna Diksha Adi Shikshanam. And then he gets Diksha in the Krishna mantra, Gopal mantra, and begins his life of devotion. And then which is the clearing stage, purification stage, and Nartanivriti. So in each of these stages, it's all about Shraddha. 5% Shraddha, 10% Shraddha. The faith is increasing. And Nartanivriti has there's 3 levels of faith in Nartanivriti, and then it goes on to Nishtha Ruchi. And finally Prem. Prem is fully developed faith, fully enriched faith, unshakable, deep faith, very firm faith. So various classes of devotees worship the deity according to their stages of faith.